gently. Watch the heat build in our eyes, and I'll keep it hush. And I'll keep it hush. Keep a secret with me. I'm here to take you on a journey to the wildest it can be. So come now, let's go deeper and deeper and deeper as we take the ride. There is just no reason to whisper a word of the things that we do to keep us satisfied. I'll keep it hush. And I'll keep it hush.